Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing all checkpoint files into one working folder so you can reference them quickly. Make sure Python 3.10 or newer and the Stable Diffusion web UI or a dedicated merge script are installed. Once done, verify file formats. CKPT versus SAFA tensors matter for speed and stability. You should back up originals before proceeding. This avoids accidental overwrites. Now open your merge tool or run the merge script and load the first checkpoint as the base model to begin the blend. You now set the actual merge parameters because the how determines the final model behavior. Decide weights for each checkpoint, balanced blends like 0, 5/0. 5 are safe while skewed ratios emphasize one model's features. Choose a merge algorithm. Some produce crisper results, others preserve style. Make sure to select precision settings. FP16 speeds inference but test for artifacts. Once configured, run a test merge with a short seed set and inspect outputs before committing to large or production merge. You finish by running the full merge and writing metadata into the output file so you remember weights and methods. After the merge, generate several test images across different seeds and prompts to validate results and spot hallucinations or mode collapse. If you see crashes or errors, first confirm GPU memory and try FP16 or smaller batch sizes. Next, verify that layer shapes match between checkpoints and retry with a different algorithm. If artifacts persist, revert to backups and adjust weights before repeating.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.